Welcome back to Let's Heal Naturally. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. In today's video, we will be talking about some of the health benefits of lavender. The scent and flavor of lavender are wonderful, but the bonus comes from its wide range of health benefits. It reduces anxiety and stress. There are a number of methods of using lavender to soothe anxiety and stress. The natural organic compounds in its leaves and flowers can be ground between the fingers and then rubbed onto the temples. This topical application can soothe the body and mind by relieving anxious thoughts and balancing the mood. Apart from this topical application, you can also brew lavender tea and achieve much the same effect. The antioxidant components in it can impact the endocrine system to lower the levels of stress hormones in the body. It treats sleep issues. If you regularly struggle with insomnia, apnea, or restless sleep patterns, it can negatively impact your life. By brewing a few lavender flowers in hot water, you can steep a wonderful tea that can be used to induce sleep and relaxation. This is closely linked to the flower's impact on the nervous system and can also help clear the mind of negative thoughts. It is commonly used in meditation techniques, and its essential oils are used in aromatherapy. It has anti-inflammatory qualities. Everyone is looking for a reliable way to relax the body and mind, and lavender takes care of both. If you add these flowers to your bath water and take a nice long soak, the anti-inflammatory components can help in reducing the inflammation. The antioxidant properties of lavender are also quite potent, and it is one of the most trusted applications of its flowers. It can be used for skin care. An easy, mobile way to always take care of your skin is to fill a spray bottle with lavender flowers. When your skin is feeling dry or irritated, simply spray some of the infused water on the area and enjoy the quick relief that it provides. This can also work for chronic conditions like psoriasis, eczema, and acne. It's also known for its antiseptic ability. Although many people turn to lavender for relaxation and aromatherapeutic applications, its effect on treating infection is impressive to say the least. Many people apply crushed leaves on wounds and injuries for quick healing of the wounds, as well as to prevent the development of infections on them. It can be used for hair care. If you suffer from hair loss or any other condition that affects the quality of your hair, seek out a lavender-based shampoo. However, some of the organic cosmetic products can be quite expensive, while others which claim to be derived from it may still contain harsh chemicals. You can steep lavender flowers like a tea and then apply the mixture to your hair. This will function as an effective shampoo and significantly boost the health of your follicle beds and hair. It protects heart health. The relaxing qualities of lavender, which come from its organic compounds and antioxidants, also help the heart by reducing blood pressure and easing the tension on blood vessels. This can prevent cardiovascular problems, thereby lowering the risk of a heart attack. It prevents digestive issues. The polyphenols found in lavender have a wide range of effects on the body. It can prevent the development of harmful bacteria and accumulation of gas in the gut. This will ease stomach discomfort, reduce bloating, and eliminate cramping. Chewing on its leaves or drinking its tea can be effective too. It is important to note that although lavender is not commonly considered an allergenic substance, if you are susceptible to allergens in the mint family, you could experience negative side effects from using lavender as well. These are usually mild in nature and include constipation, headache, and increased appetite, while the topical application can cause irritation and redness. Always remember to seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider prior to starting any new diet or treatment, and with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. If you have or suspect that you have a medical problem, promptly contact your healthcare provider. What has been your favorite uses for lavender? Please let us know in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more health tips, subscribe to the channel.